What's up, guys? Trust you're good. Yeah, I miss you all. So today we'll be doing a tie-dye with water and bleach solution. So if you want to know how it turns out, you need to keep watching. And guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. So guys, these are the list of things you need for this project. First, you need bleach, scissors, water, elastic, and some rope. So what you need to do is to mix half portion of water and half portion of bleach. It has to be half measurement. It has to be equal. One shouldn't be more than the other. Shake the bottle and mix the solution together, and it is ready to be used. So let's get started. What you want to do is fold your t-shirt right from the center. I'm doing a spiral design for this one, so as you can see, I'm folding it in a circular motion. So after this is done, I get my elastic band and I start using it to hold it down. So you need to make sure that it is tight, and then to your desired design. After this is done, then you have to place it inside a round bowl and then reach out for your water and bleach solution. Start applying this to all the areas you want. Like what I do here is that I place it on one side. I applied it on one side and I didn't apply on the other side. I had to move from one section to the other. If you watch this very well, so that it can actually come out. But I don't want to get it all filled up with the solution, so it won't look all mushy. I want to actually have a pattern, a nice pattern. So I put on some, I didn't put on some, and then I turned this over to the other side and I continued applying the water and bleach solution. So guys, this is very easy and simple. Anyone can actually do this on their own without supervision or any other thing. Just go through the instructions and then try out on your own and let me know how it goes. So after this is done, you place this on one side for about 20 to 30 minutes and let it set. Then remove the elastic band and spread out the t-shirt, and now let's see how it turns out. So gradually, you take the plates away and then spread out the t-shirt. Oh my god, this is mind blowing. I actually love the way it looks, as in it's actually nice. Let's check out the back side. It's actually nice as well. I love this, but our work isn't yet done. So let's move to the second design. You have to fold this from one side and then get your rope and start tying from the lower part of the upper part. It depends on which one you want to go with. So once this is done, you get your solution once again and the round plates, because it's necessary. We don't want to mix everywhere up, and so you start applying it on your desired section. If you want it on the upper part, if you want it on the lower part, if you want to fill it around, that's your decision. And if you only want to apply it on where the ropes are, it is also your decision. There is no mistake in tie-dye. The only mistake is if you apply too much. So this has been done. So the next thing you want to do is to cut out the rope, and let's see how this turns out. So gradually be gentle with it and don't cut the t-shirts. So that is what we are about to see now. Are you ready? Are you ready, my people? Are you ready to check this out? Okay, I can't wait. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it looks absolutely stunning. And then after that is done, you need to get your t-shirt into the shower and rinse out all the solution away from it, until the water is clear. And that is when it is safe to throw that into this washing machine, and then wash it and then let it dry, and you are good to go to style it whichever way you want. So you can see from the water that the solution is coming out gradually. Now the water is clear, and then we can throw it into the washing machine, which I did behind the camera, and voila, this is the end result. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, I like it, but to me it looks boring and ordinary, and that is not me. So I'm going to change this to a crop top and switch things up. So from that angle, yes, we are going to snip the t-shirt, and here it is. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, go girl. Yeah, go girl. And this is what it looks like. You can do this at home. It doesn't cost you anything. Just get it cheap for like $5 or 5 lira or 5 euro or 3 euro or £2 or whatever store. Just get a t-shirt, an extra, and it has to be bigger than you, because at the end of the day it shrinks in the washing machine. And this is the second design. Yes, I actually love this. This was actually a purple t-shirt. Now it comes off like a pinkish kind of purpley thing, and I like it, but still it's boring. On a good day I will have cropped this, but I don't want to crop it, so I changed it to a no sew DIY crop top, a sleeveless crop top. So, and I love the way it turned out. So girls, Guys, mommies, what are you waiting for? Start making fun with tie-dye. It's easy, it's cheap, it's affordable. Everything you need to make this is right there beside you, and it's at home and it's free. So go on and share your project with me. I would love that. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you. And guys, don't forget to check out our previous post, DIY bodycon dress, unboxing Nike Elbron low, how to make ruched mini skirts, and DIY slitted front mini skirts, and a host of others.